Come on, bounce.
Hi, baby.
Yeah. Hey. Yeah.
Kung minsan naman matagal siyang nakatayo eh, matibay. Oh.
Hi, baby.
Hindi, masarap na siyang kargahin. Maano na eh.
Matibay na.
How much do you weigh? How much do you weigh?
How
Still
much
have
does
to
she
be
weigh?
careful though, because she tends to like
Really?
Like-
back. Yeah.
Okay, how many pounds now?
Well, at her 4-month appointment, she was 13, so she must be about
Pagod ka
14
na, Iha?
now.
Pagod ka na? Ha? Pagod ka na ba? Pagod ka na ba?
Ay. Ganyan pa, paupo. Ayan.
There you go.
Bagay sa kanya yung ipit eh.
Nagigigil ako.
Nilalabas pa yung dila niya.
You have a lot of admirers, ha?
Sige po, moving. Hala, kinakain yung kanyang kamay.
Ano yung kanyang
Nako,
kamay.
Hindi siya
naloko
thumb
na.
suck, ano, finger? Hand suck.
Yeah. Yeah. Nagsasalita. Anak ko. Anak ko.